There are many examples of idioms about money in the English language. These fun phrases and expressions have a figurative rather than literal meaning and are a great way to express your thoughts about money or lack of it in a witty or humorous manner. Hi, this is Sabah and welcome back to my channel. Today my topic is idioms about money. These are just a selection of the many expressions you can use to talk about your finances or that use a reference to money to talk about something's value. Idioms are a quick way to get your point across in conversation and writing. Can you think of any more examples of idioms about money? If you are really interested in learning idioms that abound in the English language, so check out this full video. So let's start the video. Cost an arm and a leg, meaning something very expensive and outside our range. Example, it would cost an arm and a leg to buy the latest smartphone. Money for old row, meaning easy money or money earned with little effort. Example, it's money for old row. Just answer a few questions and look at the camera. Save for a rainy day, meaning to save money for a time when you really need it. On a shoestring, meaning with very little money. On the breadline, meaning very poor with little money to live on. To have deep pockets, meaning to have a lot of money. Example, they need to find investors with deep pockets for their project. To be rolling in it, meaning to be rich. Example, you could ask your boss to buy you a new company car. After all, he's rolling in it. Live from hand to mouth, meaning just have enough food and or money to stay alive. Make ends meet, meaning your income or salary is just about enough to cover your expenditure. Spend money like water, meaning spend money freely as if it were in endless supply. Out of pocket, meaning made poorer by a financial transaction. Example, business were left out of pocket following the cancellation of the street festival. Blank check, meaning to leave a check blank is to allocate unlimited funds to a project or a person. All that glitters is not gold, meaning appearances can be misleading and that everything that looks priceless doesn't have to be. To foot the bill, meaning to pay for something. Money talks, meaning rich people can get what they want. Money to burn, meaning extra money to spend however one likes. To cut your losses, meaning to stop doing something for avoid losing money. To make a killing, meaning to earn a lot of money. As sound as a dollar, meaning very secure and dependable. Cash and carry, meaning selling something for cash only and with no delivery. In the red, meaning to owe money to somebody or to another organization. Example, he could not understand how he got into the red. Tighten your belt, meaning make an effort to spend less money. Example, many people had to tighten their belts during the recession. Earn a fortune, meaning to earn a lot of money. Example, he made a fortune on the stock market. Hard up, meaning not having enough money. Example, I'm hard up these days. Go broke, meaning someone loses all their money. Keep the wolf from the door, meaning just enough money to buy basic necessities. Example, he works 2 jobs to help keep the wolf from the door. Feel the pinch, meaning to have financial problems because you are not earning as much as you used to earn. Example, when their parents lost their jobs, they begin to feel the pinch. Get your fingers burnt, meaning to suffer loss as the result of doing something risky. Example, he got his fingers burnt in foreign markets. Thank you for watching my videos. I hope this video is informative and useful for you. hit the like button and share this video. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on the notification bell. It really motivates us to make awesome videos for you. I'll come back again very soon. Till then, you just take care of yourself. Bye bye.